This video is all about the application of trigonometric identity. So now we are given, now they said if sine theta is equal to P and theta is obtuse angle, find the expression for cos theta and tan theta in terms of P. So now let's begin. Now we are given sine theta to be equal to P. Now we are going to use the trigonometric identity. The trigonometric identity is the one we're going to use now is cos square theta plus sine square theta is equal to 1. Now, if you now substitute anywhere we see sine theta, we substitute P. So now this thing is now, so you have cos square theta plus this sine square theta is the same thing as sine theta all squared. So now, so that means this is equal to P square is equal to 1. So now moving this P square to this other side, you now have cos square theta equal to 1 minus P square. So taking the square root of both sides, you now take the square root of both sides. Now this cos theta will now be equal to what? Plus or minus square root of 1 minus P square. So since it is an obtuse angle, an obtuse angle is greater than 90 but less than 180. So it falls on the second quadrant. Since it falls on the second quadrant, and on the second quadrant, you have all is positive here, only sine is positive here, only cos is positive, oh, sorry, only tan is positive here, then only cos is positive here. Now, since only sine is positive, then that means cos theta, since the thing is on the second quadrant, which is here, cos theta will now be minus the square root of 1 minus P square. Now, let's look for tan theta. Now, we know now that tan theta is equal to what? Sine theta all over cos theta. This is one of the trigonometric identities. So now, and we know that sine theta is equal to P and is positive, then cos theta is negative, which is minus the square root of 1 minus P square. So, and this will now give us P, that is minus P all over the square root of 1 minus P square. So this is the value of tan theta. The value of tan theta is minus P all over the square root of 1 minus P square. Because the tan theta is also negative at the second quadrant. So at the second quadrant. So now that is it. So this is the two expression. This is the two expression they wanted us to get. They wanted to get the cos theta and tan theta. Thank you for watching till the end. Please subscribe, like, please put your comments and also share the video. Thank you.